In this video, we'll be showing you how to log in and log out of Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. First, head inside the game, and then just wait for this loading screen. Next is I want you to click the platform that you use to connect for your Codem account. Either it's Facebook or Garena, but for me it's Garena. Then it will redirect us to our login page. Just input your username and password here and then click the Login Now button. Now that we are already inside the game, just follow my process in order for you to log out in the game. Click the settings icon that you can see in the top right corner of the screen and then scroll until you see the legal and privacy tab. Now I want you to click the logout button, then click the OK button to confirm the process of logging out your account. And that's how you can log in and log out of Call of Duty Warzone Mobile, and thank you for listening.